Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Tuesday, September 3rd. We did see a little bit of rain in the pre-dawn hours this morning. We saw about zero point 0.6 inches of rain in about only a half-hour period between about 5 and 5:30. Since then, skies have really cleared out. We are going to see just partly to perhaps mostly cloudy skies today with just a slight chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm during the early afternoon hours. Take a look at our current surface analysis. We do have some high pressure across the region this morning. We did have that weak frontal boundary that crossed the area last night, and that brought us a little bit of rain across the Delmarva, as well as some isolated thunderstorm activity as well. As we go throughout the week, we are going to be seeing just dry conditions pretty much through today, other than about a 20% chance of an isolated storm. And then conditions look pretty dry, except they are going to be warm and muggy tomorrow. And then as we go towards the end of the week, all eyes are going to turn to Hurricane Dorian, currently over Grand Bahama Island down there just east of Florida. That's been kind of sitting down there nearly stationary for the past day or so, really just tearing that island up. As we go throughout today, that storm's going to begin to slowly move northward, and then as it continues its easterly journey, it is going to be impacting the Delmarva as we go into Friday, giving us some tropical storm conditions along the coastline here at Wallops. And we will be talking more about that at our 10 a.m. briefing later this morning. As of 8:15 a.m., seeing just a few lower level clouds near 400 feet, few of 4,000, scattered decks at 7,500 and 25,000 feet. Winds were from the north at azimuth 340 at 4 knots with a temperature of 73 degrees. For today, our high is going to get up to around 83 degrees. Those winds are going to shift more northeasterly at 8 to 13 knots as we go towards the late morning hours, then due east at 8 to 13 knots as we go towards the afternoon. We are going to be running that slight chance of an isolated pop-up storm as we do have abundant low-level moisture. We're going to get that heating and a little bit of that sea breeze kicking up as we go throughout the afternoon. So going to be looking at just a 20% chance of seeing something pop up this afternoon. As we go into tonight, conditions are going to remain mild. Only seeing that low drop down to 71, and it is going to remain muggy. Winds are going to shift from the south late tonight after midnight, around 3 to 8 knots, becoming southwesterly at 3 to 8 knots by mid-morning Wednesday. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to continue just to see a few clouds near 1,000 feet. A few at 4,000 scattered at 7,500 throughout the rest of the morning hours. As we go towards the afternoon, that'll transition to a few at 2,500 and scattered at 5,000, and then possibly seeing those clouds become broken between 2,500 and 4,000 feet if we get into any shower activity. Late this afternoon, seeing those skies becoming mostly clear, just a few clouds at 1,500 and a few at 2,500, and then tonight, as we get those lighter winds and that abundant low-level moisture, we could be seeing some low clouds at times, possibly becoming broken below 500 feet briefly at times between midnight and 8 in the morning. For tomorrow, going to be looking at partly to perhaps mostly cloudy skies, looking at warm and humid conditions at a high of 87, but it does look like it'll be dry out there. Wednesday night, we're going to be seeing just a really weak front pass over the region. That's going to give us mostly cloudy skies and muggy conditions, as well as a slight chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm after midnight on Wednesday night, with a very muggy low of 73. Then Thursday will be closely monitoring Dorian as it starts to make its way up the eastern seaboard. Not going to see too many impacts on Thursday from Dorian. It's going to increase our upper level cloudiness and also going to give us a chance of a shower, but mainly late in the day, as we won't start to see those rain chances ramp up until late Thursday night. Also going to see those winds increasing late, getting around 25 to perhaps 30 knots as we go later in the day Thursday, and then we'll see those winds slowly increase Thursday night into Friday. We will see a high of 79 degrees as we go into Thursday, and we'll be talking more about Dorian during our 10 a.m. outlook, and we're also going to be talking about our extended outlook as well. Thank you for tuning in, and have a great day.